In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more themes on Google Slides. If you're ready to freshen up your presentations using your phone, this walkthrough will show you how to find great designs and bring them into Google Slides without breaking any formatting. Start by opening your mobile browser and searching for template libraries such as SlidesGo, Slides Carnival, or Canva. These sites host large collections of free and premium designs tailored for presentations. Take a moment to browse previews so you can see the colors, layouts, and slide types included. Checking the preview helps you pick a theme that already fits your content, which saves time later. When you find a design you like, look specifically for the option labeled Google Slides or Use as Google Slides theme. That button sends the template straight into the Google ecosystem. Avoid downloading it as a PowerPoint PPTX file if you want a seamless transfer. PowerPoint files can work, but they often need extra cleanup in Google Slides, and some fonts or animations may not carry over perfectly. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. This step is necessary so the template can be copied into your drive. Next, the website will open a new browser tab asking you to make a copy. Tap Make a Copy. This instantly saves the entire template with all its slide layouts and styling into your personal Google Drive. It's your own editable version, so you won't affect the original. When prompted, choose to edit using Google Slides. On mobile, you may be offered to open it in the Slides app or continue in the browser. Either way, select Google Slides so everything loads correctly. Now you're ready to customize. Double-tap any slide to start editing. Replace the placeholder text with your content, swap images where needed, and rearrange elements to fit your message. Because you're working inside a pre-made template file, skip the standard New Slide button for now. That button can add a plain, unstyled slide. Instead, duplicate one of the designed layouts so your formatting stays consistent. Look down at the slide film strip thumbnails at the bottom of your screen. Tap the thumbnail of a layout you like to select it. Tap it again, or open the three dots menu and choose Copy. Then tap the empty space right next to it in the film strip and select Paste. You've just duplicated the styled layout. Finally, edit the text and images on your newly duplicated slide. Your custom fonts, background colors, icons, and graphics will be perfectly preserved, giving your deck a polished, unified look from start to finish.